Hello there and good evening. My name is Hinda and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying to sort out all of my yarn scraps. I've already started. I have here a nice pile, and once I have everything sorted, I'm going to divide them by different weights and then decide what project I'm going to do with all scraps, each different weight, a different project. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got an empty bucket, finally, and I've got here a big pile of scraps, so let me go get some bags and get it all sorted out. Okay, in general, I'm going to divide them into three categories: lightweight, medium weight, and then bulky. But I am going to have two exceptions, which are: the first one is going to be all of these pieces I'm going to put in a different place, because these I use on the knitting machine as waste yarn for the panels. These I'm going to put on a side because I have a different plan for them for this particular type of yarn. But the rest I'm going to divide up. So let's start. Here's lightweight yarn now. Okay, I'm gonna start now on the medium weight. So far, this is the lightweight that I found. I think I'm gonna need another bag for this type because it's already pretty full. I'm gonna go get another bag for the bulky yarn, and then another one for all of these small pieces. Okay, so now I've got them all into these bags, which I'm going to put back here in this box, and hopefully decide what I'm going to make with each bag, with each type of yarn. Maybe a blanket, maybe a patchwork bag or something like that. I'm so happy I finally got this sorted out. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!